Here's a little something I learned in aerodynamics classes. Some little baby Vortex generators that I make. They're actually made from this universal rubber moulding that's supposed to be for sealing the gaps between, say, a boot lid and the car body. I cut off 1 centimetre strips, attach them at nice intervals, and it gets rid of the turbulence that's in this corner here when you're driving, and reducing the turbulence there massively reduces the noise inside the car when you're above about 30-40 miles an hour. Makes a big difference. And on our slightly older car, which has the wind deflectors fitted to it, because there's a bit more turbulence from this trailing edge of the wind deflector, I've got a few more on the upright edge. That also helps to massively reduce the noise levels inside the car.